Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best outdoor yard decorations currently available on the market, the JKIMK solar globe lights. These stunning solar orbs are not just a functional addition to your outdoor space but also a stylish statement piece. Let's explore what makes them a standout choice.
First off, let's talk about the design.
The JKIMK solar globe lights are crafted with cracked glass balls that emit a mesmerizing warm glow at night. Perfect for creating a cozy ambiance in your garden, patio, or backyard.
What sets these apart from others?
It's the attention to detail. These lights feature an upgraded 600 mAh battery, providing longer-lasting illumination compared to standard models.
Plus, with 20 LED lights per globe, you get a brighter and more consistent glow throughout the night. Installation is a breeze with reinforced ground stakes, making it accessible for everyone in the family, from kids to grandparents. Simply place them in a sunny spot, switch them on, and let them automatically charge during the day. Now, let's talk about quality.
JKIMK has taken extra steps to ensure durability. They've implemented 3 rigorous pre-factory inspections to address common issues like premature dimming, offering a reassuring 1-year guarantee. The glass construction and painted finish not only enhance durability but also add a touch of elegance to your outdoor decor. These lights are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring they'll continue to beautify your space for years to come. To sum it up, if you're searching for the best in outdoor yard decorations, look no further than the JKIMK solar globe lights. With their beautiful design, robust performance, and outstanding customer support, they're sure to brighten up any outdoor space.
Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay illuminated.